Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. In our July tutorial, we're going to be making a cute button tree shadow box. As always, craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk while supplies last. Included in every kit is one 6-sided wooden shadow box that measures about 5 1/4 inches wide. We found these at Michael's craft store for less than $1 each. One black and white print of a leafless tree that measures about 5 inches tall. And approximately 25 green buttons and 8 red or pink buttons, all in various shades and sizes. Before starting this project, you will also want to find some all-purpose liquid glue and a pair of scissors. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this project. The first is to cut around the tree so that it fits inside your shadow box, just like this. If you wanted to, you could consider painting the inside of the shadow box white so that the background blends. From here, the next step would be to glue the entire tree into the shadow box and then start adding your button leaves. Another option would be to cut around only the trunk of the tree. Once the tree trunk is cut out, put a little bit of glue on the back side and place it at the bottom of your shadow box. Now I'm ready to add each of my button leaves to the tree. Place a small amount of glue on the back of each button and arrange inside the shadow box. There's no right or wrong way to do this part, but I would recommend moving fairly quickly. You just want to make sure that you can adjust your buttons as you go before the glue dries completely. Allow your button tree some time to set and it's ready for display.
Thank you so much for participating in this month's Crafternoon. If you can do us a huge favor by giving us a big thumbs up, by liking our video in the corner over here, I think. That would be a major help. Also, if you want to hit that subscribe button, you'll make sure to get our newest content when it comes out. And while I'm asking for favors, if you could pop on over to our Facebook page and post your craft, we would love to see it. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of the day, guys. Bye!